Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to complete level 1 of Wonder Woman coding game. Firstly, go to Google and type hour of code. Click the link. Now you are already in this website. Click try. Here you will see a lot of activities according to the levels. So today I'm gonna choose Wonder Woman for coding. So start. Okay, before you go to the game, you need to read the instruction first. So read this instruction, then start coding. So on the screen, you may see three different browsers. One, two, three. So the first one is a given code or given materials, and the middle one is how you're gonna code with the given materials or given codes. The last one is the visual bounce. So you are seeing the visual things to complete your coding. So let's start. So drop the Dynabounce into the middle one. So look at the visual bounce that you can adjust how to code your character. So first, she needs to run at least two space. So we take run forward one space and one more. Then after that, she has to jump into the air, so that we take leap into the air. So here it is given some degrees, so we have to adjust how many degree that she can jump. So we choose 45 degrees angle. After she leap into the air, she will be on the ground. So we will take land in the crowd. After she is on the ground, she will face with the other enemy, so that she will block with the gun glass. So we are done with the coding, but we still have to check. So click play. If we are wrong with our coding materials, the level we will not pass the level, will not complete the level. So we click the play. Go. We are done with the level 1. So basically, coding is all about the critical thinking. So today is just level 1 that I have planned to teach you or to share with you. If you really enjoy with this, give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.